Hey, what's going on, everybody? I said I was gonna come back with this proof of posting with my trade line that I got last week, added to a brand new CPN. Um, I will show you the proof of posting right here. As you see, my score is at 677, and if you click on this, you will see that you click right here to see what's changed. May 10th is 677. May 9th is when the trade line posted. You get an email confirmation with the posting dates, and you go in the credit monitoring systems and you update your address like I was saying previous. You get a 3 bureau credit monitoring system like Credit Check Total or freecreditreport.com, which I have, but it's easier to show you the posting on Credit Karma. And so that is TransUnion. This is Equifax. Same score, all 3 bureaus. It hits within 10 days, like I noted before. Finally, with a trusted trade line company, this is more of a package deal. People have been asking for it anyway, so this is what it is: a package deal, a trade line plus a score for the price. So you go to Fresh Credit Life, check freshcreditlife.com and order the CPN with the score, and that's my proof right there. I got another trade line posting in a couple weeks. I put 2 trade lines on this new CPN, 2 separate companies. So this one has posted, guaranteed, and the next one we will see if it posts or not, or any issues. So that is what you got from me today. If you want to see me with the score, go to freshcreditlife.com. Minimal little card to add to your profile to get you a good starter, score. So you get a 670 or 650 or above. You start taking off and getting your primaries added on, more trade lines if you choose to. Just something to get you going in a fast time frame. So freshcreditlife.com. Check it out.